industry. What are the trends shaping our industry globally, and how the different sector can leverage the technology to its full potential? We are excited to have with us several industry leaders and experts who will share how we can maximize the latest innovation and what we should do to fully unleash the power of digital transformation. To our partners who continue to empower businesses through shared knowledge and technologies, company representatives, business owners, and all other stakeholders present here today. Each of us played an important role in the journey, and we are glad